How to know if your Roblox account has been hacked. If you think someone else has accessed your Roblox account, this tutorial will help you check for the most common signs. First, open the Roblox app or visit the Roblox website and sign into your account. Next, check your Robux balance. If you notice missing Robux or purchases you didn't make, your account may have been compromised. Now, go to your profile and check if your avatar, display name, bio, or account settings have changed without your permission. Next, open Settings. Then tap Security. Review your logged-in sessions and look for any devices or locations you don't recognize. If you find one, sign it out immediately. You should also check that your email address and phone number are still linked to your account. If they've been changed without your permission, recover your account as soon as possible. Finally, change your Roblox password and enable two-step verification to better protect your account from unauthorized access. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.